Hello all, my name is Sai Krishna Teja. Coming to my background, I have done my BTech electrical engineering in 2017, passed out. Later, to pursue my dream, I have given many government exams. So banking actually was used to my primary goal. Then I went into banking industry in 2019. There I have worked for 3.9 years on various tools like daily banking operations, Excel, dashboards and all. After working for 3.9 years, I felt something my job got saturated, so I thought of switching my job, into any other government sector. At that time in 2023, when I came across Go Online Training and Consultancy, where they will train the students and also they might often give live projects for internship purpose. But my primary goal used to be, sir, in government sector only. So I have given another government exams and I prepared for 1.5 year. But later, due to some reasons, I didn't pursue the examination, didn't make it into the final list. So I came across Bhaskar Jogi mentorship. I spoke to Bhaskar Jogi sir personally many times before joining here. His guidance is very beautiful, and it throws a light on the present technology trends, what's going on in the software industry. So what to choose for those who are switching from non-IT to IT, and IT for those who want to change the domain, and also for those who have a long career gap. Everything will be guided so neatly and carefully by Bhaskar Jogi sir. So I came to know about this institute from one of my friends. He referred me regarding this Go Online Training and Consultancy Institute. So the first time when I spoke to Bhaskar Jogi sir, then the on spot I have decided to join the institute immediately. To learn data analytics and data engineering courses. So firstly, I have started with data analytics, as I have previously had some experience in Power BI, Excel and SQL, some basic knowledge in SQL and all. So to strengthen my skills and also do some projects here, I have took data analytics course with Bhaskar Jogi sir. The first 3 class, by listening to the demo class only, I have thought of paying the amount immediately joining, not to waste any other institute or any other places, because the guidance that he gives, he explains everything in a layman terminology, so that those who are don't have any IT background, or also don't have any coding language, basic coding language knowledge also, they can easily understand the classes that taught by Bhaskar Jogi sir. And the thing is, the whole Go Online Training team also, they are very cooperative. Whenever the way they solve the problems, the way they address the issues of the aspirants or the students is very appreciable. And the first and foremost thing is about Bhaskar. Every time, though he deals with thousands of students daily, he never fed up. He never thinks like, okay, you just contact others, you just contact this person, you just come here. He will be explaining each and everything in detail to each and every student. So that's where I thought I was first impressed, and I thought of selecting this institute to update my upskill myself. So the material that was provided, the classes, the knowledge that they are inculcating into the students is very much useful into a day-to-day life. Even though those who are already working in those fields like Power BI or Azure Data Factory, even they don't have that much knowledge. So if you join in Go Online Training Consultancy, you may know, okay, this is what we need to brush up your skills again. You will be learn many things in depth. They'll be teaching many things in depth. So that's where I thought of joining Go Online Consultancy. So my course is around 1 year. I have traveled with Go Online team around 1 year. I have done many real-time projects. I have interacted with Bhaskar Jogi sir multiple times. So each and every time that he spoke to me, whenever I have any doubts or any issues, he was never hesitant to talk to student each one-on-one. He is always ready to talk to him one-on-one, and also in live classes also will get an opportunity to interact with him one-on-one. Even though the recordings are available in portal, but joining the live class is very much helpful, so that you can clear your doubts in the live classes. And also the teaching portal is also very user friendly. You will be finding the videos immediately after the completion of live classes. You can refer the classes in the teaching portal later, and you can also prepare a nice notes. Preparing the notes is also very much important. Each and every point that was taught during live class or in the teaching portal, it's better to write in a neat manner, so that you can also share the notes with any other who want to come into this sector. You can also show that notes, so that to those who wants to go online consultancy, once they see your notes, or else once they attend the demo classes, they will be switching. They will be knowing, okay, what kind of knowledge they are inculcating to the students. They will be knowing with that simple thing. So that's how I got I started my career in IT industry in such a way, that under the mentorship of Bhaskar Jogi sir. I am very much thankful to him for guiding me continuously. And also, once you join the job also, they won't leave you. If you anytime, if you call them, or if you reach them through mobile or any other thing, they will be attending, not immediately by sometime they will reach you, they will talk to one-on-one, they will clear all your doubts. That's not an issue. Many people are worried that the classes are online, whether it's the institute is far away. So once, just you, to get confidence in the go online, just attend 3 demo classes of Bhaskar Jogi sir. Then you will get confident on the institute, and also you can build confident on yourself and also on Bhaskar Jogi sir. Then you definitely will join the course. You can understand what's going on with what's the present technology and all. So it's better to attend the 3 demo classes which are free, and after that you can decide by yourself. It's up to you. I strongly feel, what I feel, it's not about a course, it's also the mentorship. There should be some some guidance behind you, even though you are well versed with your skills, but someone should guide you what to do and what not at the right time to take a right decision. The mentorship is perfectly given Bhaskar Jogi sir. As I mentioned earlier, he also speaks one-on-one to everyone. He'll be guiding everything perfectly, so that you can build confidence on yourself. You just attend the demo classes and speak to the Go Online team and Bhaskar Jogi sir, and you can get a clarity. You will be getting a clarity. Thank you, Bhaskar Jogi sir. Thank you for mentorship.